Okay, so as I said, right now the task is just saved while we are on that component page or task list component page, but once we go back and then again back to that component, the task is gone because every time we visit the component, create a new task service, and therefore for sure also all the fields like this one here. So now let's go ahead and use the dependency injection so that we really make use of that add injectable that you can see right here. So we created that service just like any other TypeScript class, right? So you can see it's still a TypeScript class. So what exactly is the difference? Well, that add injectable decorator here, that add sign makes it a decorator, contains that provided in and then as a value root. And that makes the service injectable to any other service or component, right? And our task list is for sure a component. We can definitely restrict the access from the service to certain scopes, right? So we can change that, but if we set it to root, the service is injectable so we can use it in every other service or component. So you need to understand that. So you can use the service which is injectable in every other service or component. Definitely keep that in mind. So what we have to do is just a real quick change. Instead, so switch over to task list component, right? Instead of creating a new instance of the task service here, we just remove it because Angular itself already takes care about the lifetime of our task service and we just make use of it. So what we do instead is we go into the constructor and let's extend it here. Let's add a new value. Let me just do it like that. And we say private task service. That's all we have to do because Angular lifetime already takes care about that. So the system is called Angular lifetime and we can just let Angular do all of the instantiation work, right? So as I said, here we got that add injectable and we say provided in root. So Angular will make it available or this service available for us in every other service or component. So right here, we only have to go into the constructor and create a field, and then the instance of that task service will automatically get passed into that constructor, and then task service will be that single instance. Great, so let's save and take a look now again. When I'm here and I try to add something, go to the mall, let me hit plus or add go to the mall. Let me just go back. Again, you can see go to the mall is now still there, and I can for sure add some more stuff and it will definitely work. So I can go back, pick another date. Right now it's even not implemented, selecting or just showing the correct dates, but we will get that done pretty soon, no worries. And as you can see, everything is still available. So now the instance of that task service gets shared by Angular, which is exactly what we want to do. And now we can talk about the actual scope of that service, because you maybe don't want that service to be available everywhere. And we really want to take a look on what a provider scope is.